Welcome to my trading psychology intervention. I'm going to talk about lesson 184 up to 187 from Ivan Biaggi. So lesson 184, if you believe enough in your trading process, success will come to you. You just have to be willing to see it through to the end. So I think Ivan Biaggi is telling you that you won't be successful just because you started during the last 5 minutes, you took during the last 5 minutes the initiation to be a trader. You will only be successful if you work on your trading during a long period of time, and that could be a period like 5 years or 10 years. It depends how much time you need, how much effort you put in it, how much research you accomplish, how much work goes into it. But it will take some time. But you will succeed in the end if you keep working on your craft. Lesson 185. New traders don't find the time to research the efficacy of your system. Make the time. So a part of your system is tracking it and looking how it performs in the market during the different phases of the market, which are bull and bear market. And when you are in a bull or a bear market, then there's also always a correction following. After every wave, there is a correction. So your system must be able to stand the different to withstand the different weathers that exist in the market, and you must still be profitable even if you switch from bull to bear, and even if you regularly find yourself in corrections. By that I mean sideways markets, which fluctuate between two price levels, but never break out or fall down or break down. So checking your system, backtesting your system is important, and you should do it. And then you have to see if it works. If the theoretical aspect tells you during the past 5 years I would have been profitable, or during the past 10 years, in every kind of market that is thrown to me, if your system is able to do that, then you have, in theory, then you have to check it in practice and do it over a long period of time, so that you have 100 trades, and you can see how much of them were profitable and how much were losers. So you should make time for that, and you should backtest. Lesson 186. Losers are intended to make you better, not bitter. So yes, losers, when you lose something, you should not be, when you have a losing trade, you should not be obsessed at all. It should be the occasion for you to ask yourself questions and find out how you can be better, and how you can avoid in the future those kind of losses. So it's a great opportunity to work on yourself and your system, to be tinkering with your system and make it better. It should never make you bitter or upset. I've seen a video that somebody found funny. It was a trader who, even though he said he wouldn't be trading during a certain period of time, took on a trade, and the trade went into red territory. The trade wasn't profitable, so he came up with excuses why he was trading when he should not have been trading. And since the person talking to him told him that he isn't following his plan. At least that was the point, even if it's not exactly like that. He said it. He got upset, pulled the screen of his computer out of the wall and threw it out of his balcony on the ground. That's exactly what you should not do. You should never get obsessed just because you did put on a losing trade. And it should never make you bitter or angry, in any case. Lesson 187. Never let a winning trade go to your heart or a losing trade to your heart. So it's the same subject as before. Why should the important question is probably, why should a winning trade not go to your heart? Because a lot of traders get neglected or take too much risk once they have a couple of winning trades. Then they think they are unbeatable, and then they make a mistake. And that mistake always is a costly mistake, and a mistake they would not have made if they did not have a couple of winning trades. So you should pay attention to your winning trades and don't get overconfident. And you should make sure that your losing trades don't go to your heart, don't upset you. Okay, that's it for today. I let you take, as always, a quick look at the scenery. Today, this afternoon, it was nice here, but the weather is a little changing. So when I was sitting here, there was sun, and then there came some rain. So I had to leave the place and go back there, where I wasn't exposed to the rain. My computer wasn't exposed to the rain. And when I sit down there, the weather changed again, and it was sunny again. So I could come back here, but it was changing. And since I can take no water while I'm working with my computer, I'll have to move. Anyways, not that important. It's just to say that the weather is a bit changing. But here it's quite good still. In Germany, in other countries, they have flooding, they have fires, they have dams that break in China. So people have it quite hard with the weather conditions, which are extreme. Here we had a lot of rain, and this summer isn't that hot compared to other summers. So I'm not sure what's going on. Greta, since the people from who believe in climate change tell us that everything gets hotter. But this summer it was a wet summer and quite cool compared to other summers. Okay, so take a look at the scenery and then I call it a day. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow if everything goes according to plan. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.